Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, March 19th, and you know what time it is. We're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, we are up all across the board. Every cryptocurrency is doing well in the last 24 hours. Let's start off with Bitcoin at $5,403.88. This is up 2.8% from yesterday. Ethereum is at $117.95. This is up 2.18% from yesterday. Dash is at $60.33, up 25% from yesterday. This is a huge increase, as well as yesterday we saw it up while everything else was down. So definitely keep an eye out for Dash. And the price of Litecoin looks like it's on sale, $34.99. If you act now, this is up 3.27% from yesterday. Now, as you might already know, and if you don't, Dash is the most used cryptocurrency in Venezuela after their economic collapse, where they had hyperinflation in their currency. So we can see massive amounts of use in Dash, massive amounts of investments in Dash, causing the price to skyrocket 25% in the last 24 hours. This is a good indicator that the rest of the cryptocurrencies will follow suit, and we're going to rebound to where we were about 12 days ago before the entire economy collapsed. Come back tomorrow, find out what the prices are, like the Facebook page, subscribe to us on YouTube, and we will see you in the next video.